Hello traders, so welcome back to episode 13 or 14. Oh yeah, so welcome back to Death Row. Okay, Death Row is a simple strategy that works on gold only. Okay, so for this strategy, don't try to use it on other pairs, futures, stocks. No, basically for gold only. Okay, so let us go let us go direct to characteristics. Okay, so one of the characteristic for this strategy, basically this is an introduction for DeathRow Gold Liquidity Model. Okay, so we will go we'll be learning it slowly, so keep on showing up. Okay, so let us go direct to DeathRow. Okay, so what is the characteristics of DeathRow Gold Liquidity Model? So one of the key characteristic is buyers. Okay, so for buyers, you must understand, is the market bullish or bearish? Okay, or on in other name, you can say basically market structure. Okay, you must understand what is the market doing currently. Okay, so you must understand the buyers. Okay, so secondly, we have liquidity. Okay, so for person trading DeathRow, you must understand what is liquidity. Okay, so in liquidity we have buy side and sell side liquidity. Okay, so and in buy side and sell side liquidity, you must understand the key features of liquidity. We have minor and major liquidity. Okay, personally, for a trader, you must understand those things. Okay, so for DeathRow, you must understand liquidity, both buy side and sell side liquidity. So the third characteristic will be time. Okay, so DeathRow has specific time frames. Okay, so we will deal only with daily time frame, that is for buyers, and 5 minutes for entry. Okay, um 5 minutes. So, and for DeathRow, it has specific time frames where it happens. Okay, so DeathRow happens between let's say 0900 a.m., that is New York time. Okay, so to 0 to sorry 2:30 p.m. Okay, so for DeathRow, basically that is, it happens between 9 to 2:30 New York time. Okay, so for East African time is between 4 to 4 4 p.m. to around 9 a.m. Okay, so no for Eastern for Kenyan time is it's around 4 to um 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, so for this specific strategy, you must keep the key time frames. Okay, so so let me explain a little bit about this strategy. Okay, so so for DeathRow, you must, okay, for DeathRow is either buyers or sellers are being killed, so you must understand that. Okay, so for DeathRow, what you have to do, basically, you must understand the buyers. Okay, let's say our market is bullish. Okay, so you have identify your market is going up. Okay, so that it is the market is bullish, so you must be able to look for a buy position. Okay, and how will you look for it? Okay, drivers inatupeleka mpaka to liquidity. Okay, for liquidity, you must between between 4 between 9 to 2:30, you must mark your liquidity level, your sell side liquidity and your buy side liquidity. Okay, So for you, you must be able to let's say buy side liquidity. Let us so buy side liquidity, BCL, it is go up there. Okay, so and sell side liquidity. Okay, so this is between 9 to 2:30, but for Kenyan time that is around 4 to 9. Okay, so you have basically drawn your levels, your time levels. Okay, that is 9 to 2:30 New York time. Okay, so you have already marked them. Okay, so and you have your bias is bullish, you have your liquidity levels, you have your time levels. Okay, between 9 to 2:30, and in Kenyan time uh that is 4 to 9. Okay, basically 4 a.m to 9 a.m. Okay, so for this so after you have drawn your liquidity levels and your time and sell and your liquidity levels, so I know you'll ask yourself, how will I enter in this trade? So for DeathRow liquidity model, so one liquidity will be taken out, either buy side or sell side liquidity. But if your your bias is bullish, expect sell side liquidity to be taken out. What do I mean? Like price to take out first the sell side liquidity before going to take out the buy side liquidity. Okay, I know up to there we are you're understanding me. Okay, so basically you have to wait for price to take out either sell side or buy side liquidity. But for us, our bias is very bullish, so for us we will expect price to take out sell side liquidity before taking out buy side liquidity. So after price has taken out sell side liquidity, for smart trader, they might enter with the breakout. Okay, you will have such a breakout where price will take out sell side liquidity, but the body will close inside. We have the week, the price will take sell side liquidity with a week, but the body will close inside. So you must understand that. Okay, so for smart traders, they will enter with that. Okay, but for others, maybe the after the breakout, after the fake breakout where sellers are being killed for us, for this particular buyers. Okay, so after it has taken out the sell side liquidity, they will wait for a PDRA. Okay, around this place. Okay, maybe it's an inversion fair value gap, maybe it's a breaker block. Okay, so they will wait for it. Price, maybe it will come and retrace and continue the direction. Okay, so what should you wait? Price. So after you have identified your buyers, wait for market to take out either buy side or sell side liquidity. But for us, our bias is bullish, so expect price to take out sell side liquidity. Okay, same for a selling market, a bearish market. We will expect price to take out the buy side liquidity before coming to take out the sell side liquidity. And note, all of this will happen between our time. Okay, that is 4 to 9 Kenyan time, that is 9 to 2:30 New York time. Okay, this all will happen around this time, and it will always be there, always. Okay, each and every day you will watch something like this every day on gold. Okay, so I'm guaranteeing you like how you'll make money simply. Okay, so that it is that. Okay, let us go to gold. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, let us go to gold. Okay, for gold, my okay, let me show you an example I took yesterday. Yeah, where is 5 minutes? Where is my where is gold at? Is down. Okay, okay, so this is what I mean. this is what I mean. Okay, so this is what you'll do. Okay, um either you will start mainly I recommend for you to start let's say you mark your um your for me I'm using Kenyan time, so I mark my time frame, so from 4 to 9:30. Okay, so between 4 to 9 that to 9:30, what I told you, we have buyers. Confirm your buyers. For me at that time, my buyers was very bullish. So for me, I was expecting for price to take out the sell side liquidity. And before you mark your price, understand where is the liquidity. Okay, so I had my buy side liquidity, I have my sell side liquidity. So I had my minor my minor buy side liquidity. Okay, so I was hoping price to take out either minor or major buy side liquidity. Okay, but for us, as I told you, you mark your buy side liquidity and your sell side liquidity. For bullish market, it will take first the sell side liquidity, of which I had my sell side liquidity at this place. Okay, and price took it very easily. Okay, you can see with a wick, but the body closed inside, so you must understand that. So if you see another thing different than this, then don't enter. Okay, so it will happen each and every day, so you have to keep record. Okay, so price took out, and then I wanted to take out my minor buy side liquidity. Okay, so maybe that it is. Okay, so for me, I do enter with the breakout, so I entered with the breakout because I understand the model. Okay, and after it has taken out the liquidity, price will always create a PDRA or an entry zone for you to enter. Okay, so as you can see, let me remove this. As you can see, price gave you a chance. Okay, we had this an inversion fair value gap. Okay, of which price came and respected it and continued. Okay, to take out the buy side liquidity. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Price will always present itself as a breakout and still as an PDRA. Okay, for you to enter. So keeping buy side and sell side liquidity, mark your time frame, and it will always be there. Okay, so welcome to DeathRow. So sellers, we killed sellers. Okay, so we must kill one of them, either sellers or buyers. Okay, yeah, so um so basically that is it. So we will continue with this strategy. Okay, this was simply an introduction. So slowly by slowly, we will be live trading, and you'll get to understand the death row strategy. So welcome to death row. Yeah, so this is where the money is. Okay, so this I've shown you, so it's up to you. Okay, so simple strategy, easy to make money. Okay, so see you on another episode. Okay.